We're really looking forward to welcoming you back to our libraries from Tuesday the 10th of November, but there will be some important differences to keep everyone safe and comply with government regulations. We will be operating with different hours, so it's important to check with your local branch before making the trip in. All of our branches will be closing between 2 and 3 p.m. for cleaning. Hill Park and Ivanhoe will remain closed at this time, but will open very soon. Branches will be limited to 10 people at a time, so please plan to keep your library visit to 1 hour per day maximum. If the library is already at capacity, you might need to wait for a short period before coming in. When you're entering the library, you'll be greeted by a concierge who will take your name and phone number for tracing purposes, and they'll also provide you with hand sanitizer. You'll always be required to wear a mask within the library unless you have a valid exemption, and adhere to all current government restrictions. Inside the library, you will notice that we've made a few changes for public safety. At the service desk, we've instituted some perspex screens, and we've also got some hand sanitizer at the entrance. We ask that you stay 1.5 metres away from other people in terms of social distancing. This requirement will impact our ability to provide assistance to you. So if you have a detailed request about your account or a catalogue search, we do ask that you call the branch before you arrive. You can pick up items that you've placed on hold and use our self-service kiosks to check them out. You can also browse our collection, but do keep social distancing in mind and stay 1.5 metres away from other patrons and from staff. Access to the computers will be limited to 1 hour sessions. Please wipe down the keyboard and mouse before and after use. Our ability to provide you with technical assistance during this time has been impacted by social distancing, but we will endeavour to do that in different ways. You will still be able to access our printing services, but staff will need to retrieve your printing for you. We won't be returning to in-person programming just yet, but you can view all of our amazing virtual programming on our website. We're really happy to be opening again, and we're looking forward to seeing you soon. Please keep in mind that regulations can change quickly, and we may need to update the information given in this video. Remember, it's really important not to come into the library if you feel at all unwell or if you have symptoms of any kind. Thanks so much, and we look forward to seeing you soon.